If you want to know how to restore Snapchat streak, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to open our Snapchat app. And from this page here, simply click on your avatar in the left top corner, right up here. Then click on icons with settings in the right top corner to open settings page. And now we need to scroll down to find section which is called support. So here we need to click on I've lost my streak, and as you can see we have three options here. We need to click on how do I restore my streaks. And now as you can see we have the option that we won't be able to restore it, but do we have the solution? Yes. We need to go back, and from this page here simply click on I need help. So after that we'll come to the next page where we have a couple of shortcuts where we need to click on I lost my snap streak, the central icon in the top line. So after that we'll come to this page here, and then we need to scroll down and answer was this article helpful, click on no. So after that we need to submit a report, and what is interesting is that we need to click on the second line, then click on contact us. So after that we need to answer for their questions. You can click on any answer you need. And after that, scroll down. Here we can find the section which informs us that we can contact the Snapchat support. So we need to input our username, then email address, mobile number, and the description. Make sure that your username is correct. So please make sure that this field is correct. So after that, we need to explain our problem in the description area right up here. So write something like this: I want to restore my Snapchat streak, help me please, and try to explain it as more detailed as it is possible. So when everything is done, just simply click on submit and then just verify that you're a human. So after that, your report will be successfully sent to Snapchat support team. And in a few seconds or minutes, the Snapchat support will receive our message and probably they will help us to fix it. So this is the only one way of how can we restore Snapchat support streak. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.